There is a ghost in the Apple catalog. A device that doesn't follow the rules, doesn't care about yearly schedules, and yet has the most loyal, borderline obsessive fan base in the entire tech world. I'm talking about the iPad mini. For years, we've heard the same story. The small tablet is dead. Your phone is getting bigger, your laptop is getting lighter, so why do you need an 8-inch screen? But then, something happened in 2026. The whispers from the supply chain stopped being whispers and started becoming a roar. Today, we are talking about the iPad mini M5. This isn't just an update. This is Apple finally admitting that the mini is the most important Pro device they make. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting for the moment the mini finally leaves the budget shadow and steps into the spotlight, sit down. Because what we're about to uncover regarding the M5 silicon, the OLED revolution, and the death of jelly scrolling is going to change how you look at mobile computing forever. Why are people so addicted to the mini? It's the Goldilocks of tech. It's too big to be a phone, but too small to be a burden. It's the device that disappears into your life. But for too long, Apple has treated it like a hobby. The Mini 7 was a bridge, but the Mini M5? This is the destination. We are looking at a radical shift where Apple is reportedly skipping the A-series chips entirely for the next high-end Mini and dropping in the M5, the same silicon that powers the MacBook Air and the iPad Pro. Think about that for a second. The same power that handles 4K video editing and complex coding, tucked into a device that fits in your back pocket. This is the portable power era, and the iPad mini M5 is its king. Let's start with the screen, because this is where the war will be won or lost. For years, the mini has been plagued by the infamous jelly scrolling issue and a refresh rate that felt sluggish compared to the iPhone Pro. But the leaks coming out of the display labs in 2026 are pointing toward one word, OLED. But not just any OLED. We are hearing reports of a specialized, high-efficiency panel that finally brings ProMotion to the mini. 120 Hz. On a mini. Just imagine the fluidity. Scrolling through your Twitter feed, drawing with the Apple Pencil, or playing high frame rate games without a single stutter. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a functional one. The OLED shift means deeper blacks, infinite contrast, and a battery efficiency that we've never seen on a small form factor. But why now? Why is Apple finally giving the mini the Pro treatment? The answer is Apple Intelligence. We are moving into an era where smart isn't enough. Your device needs to be a neural powerhouse. To run the advanced local LLMs and generative tools coming in iPadOS 20, you need the M5's enhanced neural engine. The M5 isn't just about raw speed, it's about thinking speed. The Mini M5 is being positioned as the ultimate AI companion, a device that can summarize your meetings, edit your photos, and manage your life, all while staying completely portable. Apple realizes that the person who wants a mini is often a power user in disguise. They are pilots, doctors, street photographers, and gamers. They don't want a light experience. They want the full M5 experience in a mini chassis. Design-wise,